Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can report a scam on Craigslist. So you found something suspicious on Craigslist and you want to report a scam but you can't figure out how you can do it. Just watch this video till the end. It's a very simple process. You'll get through it in no time. Now there are two ways of reporting a scam on Craigslist. The first one is flagging the posting and the second one is sending a form to Craigslist. Now in order to report a scam on Craigslist, the first thing you need to do is open a browser and go to the posting that you suspect to be fraudulent. Once you have found the posting that you suspect to be fraudulent, click on the flag icon above the post. Posts sufficiently flagged by the community are taken off the site. Craigslist staff or the website's automated system will take down the suspicious listing. Now, to send a form reporting a scam to Craigslist, what you need to do is go to craigslist.org. Once you get to craigslist.org, on the bottom left you'll see an option labeled as About Craigslist. Tap on that option. Once you tap on About Craigslist option, you'll land on an interface like this. Here, you need to choose the option labeled as Contact Form. Once you choose the Contact Form option, you'll land on an interface like this. Here, what you need to do is choose the option labeled as Scams, Spam and Flagging. Once you choose the Scams, Spam, Flagging option, you'll get a list of options that you can choose of. Here, to report a scam, choose the option labeled as I encountered a fraudulent posting or a scam on Craigslist. Once you tap on that option, you'll see something like this. Here, on the bottom right hand corner, you'll see to report a scam, contact us. Tap on the contact us option. Once you tap on the contact us option, a form like this will open. Fill this form with correct and precise information. Once you fill this form with the right details, you'll also need to add the post ID of the fraudulent post that you want to report. Now, to find the post ID, what you need to do is go back to the post that you want to report. Once you get to the post that you want to report, scroll down. Here on the bottom left, you'll see the post ID. Copy that and paste it in the form. After you've done that, tap on the send message button. Once you tap on the send message button, you have successfully reported a scam on Craigslist. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.